In which district Kundakolam National Power Plant is situated? Tirunelveli. As a question of Tamil Nadu. Please support me. Which temple is longest corridor in India? Ramanatheshwara Swami Temple, Ramana Temple in Tamil Nadu. What is the capital of Chennai? What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai. What is the state tree of Tamil Nadu? State tree of Tamil Nadu. Palm tree. What is the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park is situated? Thuthukudi in Tamil Nadu. What is the official language of Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu. Tamil. Who is the superstar of Tamil Nadu? 890. Rajinikanth. Please support me, subscribe.